Hello, all of you. Thanks for joining this online event of Octopus Network. As you guys know, that I am the ambassador of Octopus Network India. So this is my first online event. I'm here to brief regarding Octopus Network. So so let's start with this. As you guys know, Octopus Network, we already AMA with them. Octopus नेटवर्क एक मल्टी चेन इंटरपरेबल क्रिप्टो नेटवर्क है जो ऑक्टोपस को इमुलेट करता है। जैसे ऑक्टोपस के बहुत सारे आर्म्स एक दूसरे से जुड़े होते हैं, वैसे ही एप्लीकेशन स्पेसिफिक ब्लॉकचेन जिनको हम ऐप चेन्स कहते हैं, वो एक साथ जोड़ते हैं, तभी ऑक्टोपस नेटवर्क इकोसिस्टम स्ट्रांग होता है। जैसे-जैसे उसके अंदर ऐप चेन्स आते रहेंगे, वैसे-वैसे उसका इकोसिस्टम और बड़ा होता जाएगा, वो और स्ट्रांग होता जाएगा। अब इसके कुछ की पॉइंट्स हैं, जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ ब्रीफली, उसके बाद फिर हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को आगे फॉरवर्ड करते हैं। ऑक्टोपस नेटवर्क जैसा आप जानते हैं कि वो बैक है सम बेस्ट ब्लॉकचेन इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड्स। दे आर द ओनली प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट रिसीव स्टैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम नियर प्रोटोकॉल। सो बेसिकली ऑक्टोपस नेटवर्क नियर ब्लॉकचेन का एक पार्ट है। सो नियर प्रोटोकॉल इसको एज अ सपोर्ट कर रहा है बिकॉज इसमें एक्चुअली उनका 5% इन्वेस्टमेंट है। ऑक्टोपस नेटवर्क रिड्यूस एप्लीकेशन स्पेसिफिक ब्लॉकचेन जो ऑलमोस्ट 100x अगर आप कंपैरिजन करेंगे पोल्का डॉट से। ऑक्टोपस रिले इज द कोर ऑफ द ऑक्टोपस नेटवर्क, a set of smart contracts running on the near blockchain जिसको हम मेन चेन कहते हैं, that implements the security leasing markets। अब हम बात करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स में ऐसा यूनिक क्या है, ये ऐप चेन क्या है और इसको हम स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से डिफरेंट क्यों मानते हैं। सो बेसिकली एप्लीकेशन ये एक एप्लीकेशन है जो एक एप्लीकेशन स्पेसिफिक ब्लॉकचेन है। टू यूज एन एनालॉजी, इफ स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट is like an app or Android, then an app chain is like a customized version of Android that run a special app. We all know smart contract that runs on Ethereum. They are awesome. We see lots of projects on Ethereum blockchain, but sometimes you need more customization. That's why app chain shines. Even if you launch an app chain with a bug, you could update the app chain just like you would update an app today. But to update the app chain, it still needs approval from relevant parties defined in the app chain. So it is still very decentralized and secure. Unlike traditional apps, where the company who owns the app could update whenever they want, you can do vote for app chains. For the app chains in the queue, all OCT holders could upvote or downvote an app chain. But they have the rights. If they holding any OCT tokens, so they have the rights that they can upvote and downvote a particular app chain. The app chain which gets the highest score would be promoted into the staging phase. The staging phase, like now Octopus network can promote that app chain particularly. Octopus planning to launch 30 app chains per year. They have plans to support developers with funding 1 million per year and an accelerator program to help with tech and other areas. The success of Octopus network depends on the projects that run on Octopus. Now we can go with the staking part. Lots of people asking. Currently, we are in managed phase. So what about the staking? So they have a we have a staking mechanism to simply things. Once you have some OCT, you could stake it on the app chain. You think they will do whatever you prefer, like So many app chains are currently going myred, debut. So if you think they are best, you can particularly stake your OCT. One stake, you will receive that app chain native token. जब आप OCT tokens को स्टेक करेंगे उस पर्टिकुलर ऐप चेन में, तब आपको उस पर्टिकुलर ऐप चेन का नेटिव टोकन मिलेगा. Now validator. Anyone can become a Octopus validator. Validators earn app chain native tokens also. Like आप OCT holders जैसे native tokens को earn कर सकते हैं, ऐसे validators भी कर सकता है. So each validator must have a near account. An app chain account, the the near account you use to do OCT staking, and the app chain account you use to do set section keys and manage app chain assets. ये वैलिडेटर्स के कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो वो उसको स्टेकिंग करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज की जरूरत है. उसको एक ऐप चेन अकाउंट की भी जरूरत है और उसको एक ओसीटी नियर अकाउंट की भी जरूरत है. अब ओसीटी टोकन्स के यूज केस क्या हैं and वो क्या है बेसिकली. ओसीटी इज अ फंजिबल नॉन इन्फ्लेटिव यूटिलिटी टोकन that is required for staking on different exchange, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया आपको, to ensure their security economically. OCT is a NAP 141 near ancient proposal, which is equivalent to ERC20 standard टोकन टू नियर प्रोटोकॉल. जैसे ERC20 टोकन्स होते हैं, वैसे ही NAP 141 नियर के होते हैं जिसमें OCT इन्वॉल्व है. अब इसके ऊपर आते हैं हम टोटल सप्लाई के ऊपर बात करने के लिए. द टोटल सप्लाई ऑफ OCT इज फिक्स्ड at 100 million, which will be minted before the mainnet launch at once. They already sold 25 to 30% of the tokens to institutional investors via two rounds of private fundraising. And now we all know that they already did IDO. So they already sold 2.5% to 5% of the public. Now come the last part. We all know and we already share news in our announcement that Manet already almost ready and is coming 8th of October. So this is a brief which I am talking about with in the key points. So now we come with the question answers, and I am trying my best. Whatever your question is, I can give certified answer. So um, I'm unmuting. I think now everyone can unmute and they can ask question whatever they want me to answer. So uh, who's the first question? Can anybody ask?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
So as we all know that NFT is really a hot topic in the crypto space nowadays. So I just want to know, do you have any plans to add NFTs to your ecosystem?
Mm, yeah, actually, we have a one NFT projects app chains currently. Basically, Octopus Network is an infrastructure project, and the main functionality is to provide security and connectivity for app chain. We do not get involved directly in NFT projects, but if any NFT project wants to become an app chain of Octopus Network, then they are most welcome. We have, as I told earlier, we have one NFT project app chain, it's name called Unique.one. You guys can search. Unique.one is a truly decentralized non-profit NFT arts platform owned and managed by the digital arts community, bringing together artists, creators, and the collector as one. So yeah, we are going. We have a unique. We have a project called name unique.one. You guys can search, and yes, if any other project want to come uh, in our ecosystem, then they are most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions?
Hello,
Yeah, hello.
हेलो। नमस्ते सर। सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, जैसे कि अभी किस स्टेज पे है प्रोजेक्ट बेसिकली, और मतलब हम आगे वाले टाइम में क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि क्या क्या डेवलपमेंट्स होंगी, ये पूछना चाहता था।
Well, as you guys knows, Octopus का भी आईडियो फिनिश हुआ है एंड हमको कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा मिला है। ऑलरेडी वी हम लिस्टेड हैं gate.io पे, मैक्स ग्लोबल एंड अदर सेंट्रलाइज एक्सचेंज लिस्टिंग। Currently, we are working on cross-chain bridges like Flow, Solana, Platon, Oasis, as well as IBC bridges for substrate which will connect Polkadot and Cosmos. I think that will be ready around November 2021, and we expecting Octopus mainnet will be launching 8th of October, and our first app chain will go live in October 2021. After that, we hope to onboard one app chain every 2 weeks so that first year we should have between 25 to 50 app chain, which also represent USDT 50 to 100 millions of demand of OSDT tokens. So
ओके।
yeah, we have many upcoming things going on in the coming months. So this is answers.
थैंक यू
And
सर।
next,
Hello, sir.
hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Hello.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
What is AppChain basically, and how it will be helpful in future?
Can you pardon the question?
What is AppChain basically, and how it will be helpful in future?
Okay. So, like we already told about the actions, like application decentralized. Like I'm telling that app chain is the application specific blockchain. To use an analogy, if a smart contract is like an app or an Android, then app chain is like a customized version of Android that runs a special app. As you guys know, like the first public blockchain, Bitcoin, is also an application specific blockchain as it serves to be store of value and facilitates the transfer of value. We have second generation blockchain such as Ethereum, a general purpose blockchain that can host many applications through smart contracts. Building cross chain bridges is expensive and difficult, and Octopus allow app chain to bootstrap security and interoperability with the lowest barrier to entry. Um, there are only four multi-chain networks in our uh, crypto ecosystem. Like we only know Polkadot, Cosama, Cosmos, and now Octopus network. The other three has multi-billions market cap, and Octopus is just a start. So you guys can get an idea कि Octopus need many things to develop currently, and they are very much focusing on their development side.
Thanks, sir.
Hello.
Next. Hello.
Sir, my question is I want to know more about the connection you have near and Polkadot.
Okay, like in Polkadot and Kusama, the problem is the high cost of validator. You need to run validator on good servers. And since it is expensive and difficult, there needs to be 15 to 20% API given to validators to cover their cost. Octopus solved this problem by using smart contracts to construct validators. Since our network
Yes.
chosen to build our validators as smart contract to improve efficiency, we need to choose a layer one that would be able to provide the best support for us. Now your question is why we choose Near. Basically,
Yes.
Near protocol is a sharded blockchain that is infinitely scalable fast and the most user friendly around. Instant finality, infinite scalability, team technical support, user friendliness, and USDT 1 million investment from Near, which we got from the Near ecosystem. So that's why we choose Near, mostly
Okay.
apart from other ecosystem.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question, if any.
Can I ask the next question?
Yeah,
Yeah. So my question is, to be a validator of AppChain, will there be a specific amount of OCT tokens one should stake, and where can I stake these tokens?
basically each app chain will have their own dedicated validators. The Octopus team will set up around 10 validators for any new app chain. So out of 10, there will be 4 that is deployed and maintained by the Octopus team. So there is 5% of token allocation for this. The tokens cannot be sold and only used for purpose of validator. I'm talking about the 5% which I mentioning. The total amount of OSCT stake should total to USDT 2 millions for the first 5 app chain. This means a corrector of roughly USDT 400 thousands of OCT for each validator. We have a dynamic system where the amount of OCT will change according to the price. Okay, so next question.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
So, is there any stacking program in your project for passive income?
Sorry, can you repeat the answer? Hello.
Is there any stacking program in your project for passive income?
Yeah. Actually, we have currently going. There are LP rewards and ref.finance DEX will be able to receive ref tokens for providing liquidity to city near pools. We had running a campaign regarding this liquidity pool. Currently, let's wait for the minute. After minute, surely you guys can stake. Then you can find various staking option in different exchanges. Okay, next question.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
My question was, what is the most ambitious goals of the project?
Right now, there are existing multi-chain that has their own strength, like we mentioned in Polkadot, Cosmos, but we believe Octopus is the missing piece in the puzzle. Octopus can enable thousands of blockchain to be connected as we have a limited app chain slot occupied with a lower barrier to entry. So yes, this is our ambitious goal that we will be counted in that most three multi-chain projects which we mentioning before. So yeah, we are in very early stage, and we have to go very far from current stage.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Hi, sir. My question is, how can we collaborate or help share token for the development of the project?
Basically, partnership are important as well, and we expect to partner with more projects through our vast app chain and VC network. So we also expect our Octopus Accelerator program to attract the attention of project team, and anyone who wants to learn later. We will roll out our own substrate training courses. So we planning to do participate in major events, also specific near related events. There will be endless stream of activities in the Octopus network ecosystem. So expect to see a lot from us in the future.
Recording is on.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir. Can I ask the next question?
yeah, please.
Sir, my question is what is the relation between Near and Octopus network? And as the development of Near takes, will that affect the success of Octopus?
Basically, as I said, Near protocol is 5% seed and static investor in Octopus network. That's why we choose Near protocols also. But Near protocols technology is extremely performant, and they have almost instant finality, and their sharding scalability is limitless. This is required for our validator setups also. Basically, Octopus network is a multi-chain that uses the capability of Near, and if Octopus network gives the capability of Polkadot to Near. So this is currently we have going for development, so that could affects, I think, success for Octopus.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I've got a question. Can you please tell what are the current developments with Octopus Network?
Octopus network is a relay on Near protocol, which is a building a vibrant DeFi ecosystem. So all our Octopus app chains tokens can be easily transferred and be used in the DeFi application on Near, or they can additionally use the tokens on Ethereum. We combine the best modular rapid blockchain development framework substrate and Cosmos IBC, which is the best inter blockchain communication protocol. We also build a multi-chain network with low barrier to entry and infinite scalable. So this is our current we are developing ideas and Octopus network.
Thank you. Sounds interesting.
Any other question? I think I covered um, almost 10 questions as here 10 members already in our online event.
So yeah, that was a good point that you covered. We've got good insight about the project. And yes, I'll be more confident now to invest in Octopus Network.
Thank you so much, and I hope regarding my brief and with the question answer, I can see lot of interest contained Indian community also regarding Octopus network. So keep supporting Octopus network, and we need your support basically, as we are in very early stage and we need community support.
Oh, yes, we will.
Okay, thank you guys so much. I know it's too late now, and thank you so much for the joining this online event. um, Take care. Bye bye.